What does your mind hear when hearing the name of iPhone X? Expensive, luxurious, cool, whatever we think about the iPhone X will not change the situation if this is the most expensive and uniquely expensive smartphone ever released by Apple. iPhone X is a smartphone that is very compatible and super fit in the grip. When I previously used the iPhone 7 Plus, then Galaxy Note 8, and now iPhone X, pants pockets feel much more relieved. Apple successfully dispensing 5.8-inch screen 19.59 in the body of a smartphone measuring 5.2 inches. If we compare with Xiaomi Miles 6, the dimensions are similar. We are sure more who like the design of the iPhone X than do not like. The front is full screen all, no more physical home button and fingerprint sensor. There is only a series of Face ID sensors to unlock Face. But unfortunately these sensors are placed at the top of the screen that eventually became uncomfortable. Retail version of iPhone X is directly used iOS 11. Although version is the same as the previous generation iPhone, but the way of life is much different. One thing that causes it is the absence of the home button. So the functions that were previously accessible with the home button now replaced gesture that is more or less like BlackBerry 10. Make the return to home stay swipe the bottom of the screen upwards. Open recent apps swipe from bottom to top and hold 2 seconds. Move the left or right swipe apps to the bottom of the screen. Access Control Center, simply drag the top right corner of the screen. To see the notification, just drag the middle or top left of the screen. If anyone says the gesture system is not comfortable, actually not to. Because in fact we feel more enjoy and anti-mainstream, so have forgotten the name of the button. The process also feels fast, smooth, and accurate. It's just a little trouble if you use one hand, because the gesture area is at the ends. Furthermore, which is also a lot of questionable people, is a matter of Face ID. Is it really possible to replace the Touch ID? Subjectively we say can. After almost 2 weeks we feel comfortable wearing Face ID because it does not need more effort. See the screen. Lock the smartphone directly open. We can directly see the contents of the notification. If you really want to open the lock screen, should swipe the screen first. We have no personal complaints with accuracy and speed. Feels very flexible. Can face detection from near or some distance. Even the Face ID is still working when it's really dark. So fixed Face ID offered by Apple is the best face scanner for now.